Hi guys, and in this video I'll be showing you this is a very simple and easy thing, and when you are going to sell, this is primarily for authors and for publishers, anyone who is selling books. So in this situation what happens is a lot of times a lot of customers will reach out to you and they will try to learn about whatever products and services that you are offering. So sometimes what happens is we are also facing this problem. So here you can see, this is one of our customer who is, asking us questions. So in this situation, here you can see all the queries and everything. So typically, what happens here is a lot of customers, if they are calling you, you have definitely have to talk to them. But most of the times, what they will do is they will reach out to you through message, and for them it is also convenient. For you also, it is very convenient because you can share the link, you can share a video, you can basically tell them, okay, this is what it is. But what happens is when you are getting so many messages, this can be very overwhelming. So in this situation, I'm going to share what we basically follow, and the same thing you can follow as well. So what we do is obviously we are using ChatGPT here. You can use Gemini here, you can use ChatGPT, any kind of AI software or AI, Gemini, it can be Claude, anything that is free of cost. So this is free of cost, you can use it for yourself. So the process that we follow here is, it's very simple and easy. I'll just show you. So what we do here is we use this ChatGPT command here. So as you know that at Kitablen we help you with printing, publishing, and selling your book online. We help you with publishing. We do not charge any professional fees or any processing fee, and we help you list on Amazon, Flipkart, and basically that is you can go to our website and check what kind of services. So if you want to print your book, publish your book, or sell your book, we provide all round services to you. So what I have done here is I have mentioned each and every service that we provide on our website. So if you click here, you will be able to see how we print your book, publish your book, and sell your book. Restoration, we will be launching this feature within a couple of months because it takes a lot of time and effort to build that. So what I've done here is I have basically combined them all together into a document. So I've combined them all together into document, and I've mentioned that, okay, this is the company profile. What we do is our company name is Kitablen, and we do book printing. If we click on book printing, this is what we do. These are the services that we provide. We have a book cost calculator, and if they want to start their book print order, they can click here, and all the features that is there. We also mention who are we, the company details, it is mentioned there, and then we mention that, okay, this is how we can help you sell the book, and also publishing, everything, all the details. It's more of like I would rather say kundli, what we call in Hindi or in India kundli. Kundli as in like your horoscope, everything from your date of birth and everything, every details is mentioned there. So we basically have done I've pasted all of the information there, and here it is, like all the details I have mentioned here, and I keep that document with me all the time. So what I do is I basically copy that data and paste it in ChatGPT. So after ChatGPT, I basically tell them that this is the information of our website, and I want you to act as a customer service executive or hotel receptionist, and you will be very gentle and very polite to the customer, and you have to understand that the customer might not know anything about the product or service that you're offering to them. So you have to make them understand from the start, from scratch. And I basically put this command, and after that what happens here is it will tell me, yes, I'm ready to work as a chat assistant. So what I've done here is I've taken the the question that the person has asked, can I add some color pages and all the details, then it will show me this large answer. So I do not want this large answer. So what I've done here is I'm telling the AI that short in English, because I want the reply in English, Hindi, mix of Hindi and English, A4 size of paper, glossy, दोनों साइड प्रिंट हो जाएगा, and all the details it is there. So if I suppose, for example, how do you help with printing my book? So if the customer is asking you the question, you just copy and paste it here. And if the answer is very big, if the response is very long, and obviously the customer is not going to read about it, then this is like acceptable. If I want to make it short, if I click, if I say make it short, then it is going to make it short. And if I ask it to write in Hindi or Bangla, reply in Banglish. Banglish is basically combination of Bangla and English. So it will write Bangla in English. So that is Banglish. So Tamil, write in Tamil. So it is Varakam Nanga novel paper over a high quality say ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ இருந்தா ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ பண்ணுங்க Okay, cost check करूँगा, order check करूँगा. So this is how you can respond. And today itself I had conversation with customers from Maharashtra, from Delhi, from South India. So I use this extensively. I use this extensively. So this is an example that I've used. So this is a customer who is from Maharashtra and she's talking to me in Marathi. Obviously, I don't know Marathi. Obviously, I don't know Marathi. So in this situation, what I've done here is I've used the same thing altogether. So here you can see काही समस्या नाही, फकत आम्हाला स्क्रीनशॉट पाठवा, आम्ही आमच्या बाजूने अपडेट करू. माझं नाम अमरीश नाथ आहे. मी कोलकाता मधून बोलतो. So I'm talking in Marathi. I don't know Marathi at all, but this through this I am able to communicate with the customer very easily. So if, for example, if the customer is going to abuse you, a lot of time that happens. What do you do? So in this situation, you just copy paste the whole thing altogether. You are a piece of shit. Reply to this. Sometimes it will think that you are telling that AI that you are a piece of shit. Um, Again, respond to this message from customer. You are a piece of shit. So you just copy paste the whole thing altogether. And why are you charging for book printing? So it will give you a very nice answer because we are emotionally driven and we can use this to leverage. So we charge for book printing because it is expensive, blah 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 blah. Check printing for so that is such an amazing thing. I've used this and this what we use internally to communicate with our customers. So if you are talking to us via WhatsApp, so it might be like an AI is talking to you. So that's the advantage of using AI. So I just wanted to share this video with you. Obviously, this video is going to be used by our internal team, and I just wanted to share this with you because if you are a publisher, if you are an author, if you are someone who can who is tired of typing every single day, so you can use this on AI. So I'm using this on desktop, so you can use this this thing altogether on your mobile phone as well. But if you're using a desktop computer or laptop, then it will be much easier to communicate, and through this you will be easily able to communicate with at least uh, 30, 40, 50, 100 customers without any problem altogether. And that's the advantage of having a conversation with the customer, and you will have the chat history with you. And if the customer has any kind of issue, then you can definitely connect with them over a call and solve the problem. So I hope I have solved your problem and I have helped you in some way or the other. So if you want to print your book, publish your book and sell your book online, so contact us. We'll be more than happy to help you out. And visit our website, go through all the details. And if you have any question or queries, or if you have any feedback for us, please connect with us and we'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you for watching this video. Take care. Bye-bye. And keep writing, keep publishing, keep selling your book online. And get in touch with Kitablan and do use our services because it will help us to serve you better, serve more people. Thank you.